Welcome to Cozy Home Interior. What if your apartment could feel 50% bigger without adding a single square foot? Most people think they need a bigger place, but the real problem is wasted space. These hidden design tricks used in Brooklyn apartments can instantly make small living rooms, kitchens, bedrooms, bathrooms, entryways, and home offices feel larger, brighter, and more functional. Before you spend money on moving or renovating, watch these 6 smart apartment upgrades that completely transform the way small spaces work. In compact Brooklyn apartments, every furniture decision directly affects how large or cramped the room feels. Interior designers working on modern Brooklyn apartments often recommend replacing oversized furniture with multifunctional pieces that support several activities at once. A storage ottoman is extremely effective because it functions as seating, hidden storage, and a coffee table without adding clutter. Many Brooklyn apartments also benefit from wall-mounted desks because they create a workspace while keeping valuable floor space exposed. Low-profile sofas visually increase ceiling height, making small Brooklyn apartments feel more open and breathable. Vertical storage is another essential strategy in Brooklyn apartments because floating shelves and slim bookcases use wall space instead of blocking walkways. Large mirrors placed opposite windows reflect daylight deeper into Brooklyn apartments, creating a brighter and visually expanded environment. Designers also use open-leg furniture because visible flooring beneath chairs and sofas increases perceived depth. Layered lighting eliminates dark corners that commonly make Brooklyn apartments feel tighter and more enclosed than they actually are. Many Brooklyn apartments struggle with kitchen functionality because countertops slowly become permanent storage zones instead of usable workspaces. In compact Brooklyn apartments, visual clutter spreads quickly, and once appliances, utensils, and containers dominate the counters, the entire kitchen immediately feels smaller. One of the smartest upgrades for Brooklyn apartments is shifting storage vertically instead of horizontally. Magnetic knife strips, hanging rails, pegboards, and ceiling-mounted pot racks free valuable prep space while keeping essential tools accessible. Designers working on Brooklyn apartments also recommend narrow rolling pantry carts because they fit into unused gaps between appliances and create hidden storage without expensive remodeling. Open shelving can improve visual spaciousness in Brooklyn apartments if matching containers and limited color palettes reduce visual chaos. Lighting is another critical factor in Brooklyn apartments because shadow-heavy kitchens appear tighter and darker than they really are. Under-cabinet LED lighting brightens work areas and enhances depth perception. Glossy backsplashes and light-colored cabinets reflect natural light across Brooklyn apartments, making the kitchen feel more open. Fold-down dining tables are especially effective because they create flexible movement space when not in use. In many Brooklyn apartments, the entryway becomes an instant clutter zone where shoes, jackets, bags, and keys accumulate within days. Because Brooklyn apartments are often compact, even a small amount of visible clutter near the entrance can make the entire apartment feel chaotic and overcrowded. One of the most effective strategies for Brooklyn apartments is using slim vertical storage systems that organize essentials without blocking circulation space. Wall hooks, floating shelves, narrow shoe cabinets, and bench storage hybrids help Brooklyn apartments maintain functionality while preserving openness. Designers working on Brooklyn apartments also recommend placing mirrors near the entrance because reflected natural light increases depth perception and visually expands tight spaces. Defining the entry zone is equally important in Brooklyn apartments, especially studio layouts where rooms easily blend together. A small rug, subtle wall paneling, or dedicated lighting creates visual separation without constructing physical barriers. Closed storage systems are particularly valuable in Brooklyn apartments because they reduce visual noise and hide everyday clutter that makes spaces feel smaller. Minimal visible mess dramatically improves how organized and spacious Brooklyn apartments appear, even when the actual square footage remains unchanged. In many Brooklyn apartments, the bedroom slowly turns into a hidden storage room filled with boxes, clothing piles, and oversized furniture that restrict movement. One of the biggest problems in Brooklyn apartments is wasting valuable space underneath the bed, even though the bed occupies the largest footprint in the room. Interior designers working in Brooklyn apartments often recommend hydraulic lift beds or platform beds with built-in drawers because they create massive hidden storage without consuming additional square footage. Wall-mounted nightstands are another powerful upgrade for Brooklyn apartments because they expose more visible flooring and improve walking flow around the bed. Closet optimization also dramatically changes functionality inside Brooklyn apartments. Double hanging rods, slim velvet hangers, and shelf dividers can nearly double storage efficiency while reducing visual clutter. In older Brooklyn apartments with lower ceilings, floor-to-ceiling curtains mounted above the window frame create the illusion of greater height. Color psychology is equally important in Brooklyn apartments because soft whites, warm beige tones, and muted gray palettes reflect more light and create a calmer environment. Reducing visual heaviness makes compact bedrooms feel cleaner, brighter, and significantly more spacious. Bathrooms in Brooklyn apartments often feel cramped because poor lighting, bulky fixtures, and limited storage visually compress the space. One of the smartest strategies used in modern Brooklyn apartments is reducing visual heaviness while improving brightness and organization at the same time. Floating vanities are especially effective in Brooklyn apartments because exposed flooring underneath creates the illusion of additional square footage and improves visual flow. Frameless glass shower partitions also help Brooklyn apartments feel larger because uninterrupted sight lines make the room appear more open compared to traditional shower curtains. Large format tiles are another powerful upgrade in Brooklyn apartments since fewer grout lines create cleaner visual continuity and reduce visual clutter. Storage should always move vertically in Brooklyn apartments to preserve walking space. Over toilet shelving, recessed wall niches, and slim medicine cabinets maximize functionality without overcrowding the bathroom layout. Designers working on Brooklyn apartments also recommend replacing bulky towel bars with compact hooks to improve wall efficiency. Lighting temperature dramatically changes perception in Brooklyn apartments because neutral white lighting around 4000 K creates a brighter and cleaner atmosphere. Mirrors with integrated lighting further eliminate shadows that make small bathrooms feel tighter and darker. Creating a productive workspace inside Brooklyn apartments is difficult because most layouts do not include dedicated office rooms. In many Brooklyn apartments, adding a traditional desk setup immediately consumes valuable living space and makes the apartment feel overcrowded. One of the most effective solutions for Brooklyn apartments is using wall-mounted foldable desks that visually disappear when not in use. This approach preserves circulation space while maintaining functionality for remote work. Transparent acrylic chairs are also popular in Brooklyn apartments because they reduce visual density compared to bulky office seating. Designers working in Brooklyn apartments frequently recommend vertical monitor stands and mounted shelving systems because they keep surfaces clean and prevent unnecessary clutter buildup. Lighting placement dramatically affects workspace comfort in Brooklyn apartments. Positioning desks near windows maximizes daylight and reduces dependence on oversized lamps that occupy additional space. Cable management is equally important because exposed cords create visual chaos that subconsciously makes Brooklyn apartments feel disorganized. Zoning techniques also improve workflow inside Brooklyn apartments without constructing walls. Small bookshelves, curtain dividers, or area rugs help separate work zones from living spaces while maintaining visual continuity throughout the apartment.